In this video, the basics of asset protection for U.S. citizens. First, let's quickly define asset protection and why it's important for everyday U.S. citizens. Asset protection is using legal methods to shield your money, home, and other valuables from people or situations that might try to take them, like in a lawsuit or debt collection. It's done ahead of time, before any problem pops up, to stay on the right side of the law. In the US, lawsuits are common, and risks can come from work, accidents, or family changes. By planning, you keep your assets safe for yourself and your loved ones. It's not about dodging taxes or hiding things illegally. That's not allowed. Instead, it's smart planning to reduce worry in an uncertain world. So, the most basic type of asset protection is insurance, which might surprise you. Insurance acts like the first line of defense. Insurance pays out to cover claims so your personal stuff doesn't have to. There are a few main kinds: home and auto insurance for everyday risks like damage or accidents, umbrella insurance that adds extra coverage on top for bigger issues, and professional insurance for job-related problems, like if you're in a field with high chances of being sued. Life insurance can also protect some savings in many cases. The idea is to have enough coverage to handle common threats without gaps. Another simple type is how you title or own your assets. This means deciding the legal way things are named. For example, owning something alone keeps it under your name but opens risks. Joint ownership with a spouse can help pass things smoothly and block some claims. In certain states, a special married couple title protects the asset from one's personal debts unless both are involved. Gifting assets to family members moves them out of your control, reducing your exposure. This type is low effort and doesn't need much setup, just updating paperwork to match your life. Retirement accounts are a strong type of protection as well, built into the law. These are savings plans where your money is often safe from most claims. Work-based ones like 401ks or pensions get top-level shielding nationwide. Personal ones like IRAs also have good protection, varying a bit by state. The key is that laws make it hard for outsiders to touch these funds. You can keep adding to them over time. This type of asset protection is ideal if you're already planning for the future, as it doubles as saving and protecting. Homestead exemptions focus on protecting your main home. In many states, laws say your house can't be taken for certain kinds of debts. Some places cover the full home value, others just part of it. You often need to file a simple form to claim it. This type keeps your living space safe from general financial hits, but not from home-related debts like mortgages. It's straightforward for homeowners and varies by where you live. For those with businesses or investments, forming entities creates a wall between personal and work assets. Limited liability companies, or LLCs, are popular. They let you run a business while keeping personal things separate. If the business gets in trouble, your home or savings usually stay safe, as long as you follow basic rules like keeping records apart. Corporations work similarly for big setups. This type is great for entrepreneurs, isolating risks to one area. Trusts offer more flexible protection by moving assets into a legal box managed by rules you set. Revocable trusts let you keep control and change things, but they mainly help with passing assets on without court drama. Irrevocable trusts remove assets from your reach, making them harder for others to grab. Special domestic trusts in some states let you benefit while shielding. Offshore trusts in other countries add even more distance. This type suits people with more layers like family wealth or higher risks. And by the way, if you need help setting an offshore trust, you don't know who to go to, MyLatinLife, we're a full-scale immigration consultancy. We do second passports, we do trusts, we do LLCs. So there's a link in the description where you can book a call with us. We can answer all your burning questions and get the process started. Coming back to the next strategy, so some advanced strategies build on the basics for extra strength. Family partnerships let you share ownership with relatives in a controlled way, limiting what outsiders can take. Equity stripping uses loans against assets to make them less appealing. Annuities turn money into protected income. These are for when simple types aren't enough, often combining with trusts or entities. Putting asset protection in place is a gradual process. Start by looking at your situation, what you own, and what risks you face. Add insurance first, then adjust titles and max out retirement. Claim home protections and set up entities if you have business. For trusts or advanced, get help from experts. Review it now, do it early, and keep it current. Here are some easy tips. Number 1, talk to a lawyer early to learn your state rules. Start with what you have before building big. Layer different types for better coverage. Keep personal and business separate. Don't wait for a problem, plan now. If you wait till there's a problem, it's probably going to be too late. And a few more basics. Agreements with your spouse can protect in family changes. For everyone, it's about balance and following the laws. Asset protection basics help U.S. citizens keep what they've earned. From insurance to more advanced strategies, these types give you ways to stay secure. Keep it simple, plan ahead, and seek advice. So that's a simplified overview on asset protection. If this cleared things up, or if you have any questions, please comment below. We'd love to hear any comments, stories, anecdotes that you might have, and give the video a thumbs up if it helped. Subscribe and check out some of the other videos on our channel. And if you need help implementing this, book a call, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.